Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Lenovo Tab Plus 11.5 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find the security and privacy. Let's tap on it. Then let's scroll down and enter more security and privacy, and here let's scroll again to find encryption credentials. Let's tap. Almost at the very bottom of the list we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on clear credentials and confirm it with OK. As you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.